How to find and see word count on Google Docs document on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple, just follow with me. First thing, after you finish editing your Google document, now go here in the top on tools, click on tools, and here you will find word count and click on it, and here you will find the pages, words, characters including spaces, and then click OK. And if you want to display word count while typing, click OK, and you will start seeing it here. As you can see, anything I type here, I'm gonna see it like this easily. How to media, so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later, and thank you so much.